Behind the design, extrinsic forefoot post. This client needed a custom orthotic with support for the forefoot alignment. They chose to follow the forefoot alignment captured in the scan, which was a forefoot varus. The aim of the orthotic was to support the foot morphology captured in the scan. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They chose an extrinsic forefoot post from the posting section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. An extrinsic forefoot post provides EVA reinforcement of the forefoot alignment to provide support behind the metatarsal heads. It is a higher bulk option, but providing higher support. It can be prescribed in a varus or a valgus direction, and can be manufactured at a prescribed angle, or matched to the forefoot alignment captured in the cast or scan. The front edge will be supported back to flat to keep the device stable. Orthotip. The extrinsic forefoot post will blend with the medial or lateral arch profiles. A lateral forefoot valgus post will provide a more distal high point compared to a lateral arch. Alternative options to continue the support under the metatarsal heads include a forefoot varus extension or a forefoot valgus extension. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA custom manual at dolaorthotics.com.